Hello, my name is Fauzi Alexander, and today I would like to present game as platform for fun online class. This research aiming to create an application concept by adopting gamification to provide immersion for students in taking online classes. Online learning starting to be widely used during COVID-19 pandemic. Many online applications provide solutions to become a media for online learning, but each of it has a level of saturation that result in a decrease in learning performance and eventually into gimmick problems that are often done by students. However, this change had a negative impact on some students. This is because by several factors such as hardware issue, technical issue, and lack of interaction between teacher and student themselves. A study said that during COVID-19 pandemic, students showed a little or no progress during online learning session, where the most prominent learning loss was in students whose conditions were less fortunate. Learning loss is a lack of interest in student learning that cause students to do other things during online learning session, such as turning off the webcams, playing games, browsing social media, and even sleeping. However, this can overcome by applying game elements to provide immersion for students in the form of gamification, so that students have other goals in participating in the learning session. Finding for the questionnaire in interview is both student and teacher are agree online learning is not efficient. Favorite media for student is Google Meet while teacher is Zoom. Both student and teacher are agree gamification that can improve attention to the class. So gamification can become a solution while creating new media for online classes. In this section, we will talk about media comparison. WhatsApp include because some of student and teacher prefer using it, while Discord included because it's a recommendation that has potential to be used as a media for online classes. Zoom and Google Meet are the main choice as an online class media, but applications have similar tools and are very important to use in various situations. However, both applications have one important feature called breakout room, which can only be accessed when user purchase a premium services. This feature is very important because it can divide channel into one learning session that can be used for a group assignment. The system can make it easier for teacher to monitor student in group assignment. Discord can be used as a media for online class, and Discord has the advantage of multi-server system where each user can have up to 100 different servers that can be accessed, and each server will be managed by the administrator. Teacher here can act as administrator and manage channel as well, privilege for students. And Discord designed to be a casual and relaxed application, but it doesn't have many other tools that support online learning, such as recording tools and and whiteboard. The concept of application is made by prioritizing gamification as a content that can trigger students to be more motivated in online learning session. Gamification has a great potential to be applied in media that support online classes. The success of gamification design in e-learning system must consider the main concept in the games, such as goal-based activities, reward mechanism, and progress tracking. In addition to this, we must consider the type of player that will be involved later. And Valkyrie mentioned there is 4 types of player who are focused on the intersection between productivity and engagement. It is faithful player, enamored player, progression player, and novelty player. For students who fall into enamored category, they tend to be more concerned with the opportunities that exist in the game mechanics. Opportunities here can be interpreted as what benefits they will receive when running the content. Meanwhile, students in the novelty category do not like the content that is too challenging. The same as users in the progression category, because both groups often threaten to leave the game if the content does not meet their preference. But harder content can be given to faithful and enamored player. This is because this player can win the level of increased sense of satisfaction as a part of the entertainment. Previous research by Putra and Priyatmojo stated that gamification can be used to increase student interest in English language on offline meeting. As previously explained, the concept of gamification in the application can increase student motivation in online learning session. As well, students are required to motivate themselves to complete the mission and get the rewards. It should be noted that in implementing gamification, user categories must be considered so that each category has content that they can enjoy and complete. Our mission are aimed at focusing student attention in the learning session, and gamification implemented in online classroom and conference media has a potential to cover a larger scale. Thank you.